how to turn off or on current settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click Hub and go to History Lines here and go to Settings, and here we'll find notifications, and then here we'll find current, click on it, and that's it. Now if you want to turn it off, disable this one here and you can enable it again, and that's it. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.